Now, as far as the industrial systems goes, we have many industrial processes where dissolved gas contacts with liquid. In most of the cases, dissolved gas will undergo a chemical reaction in liquid phase. Systems where no reaction occurs are known as physical absorption processes, while the systems where reaction occurs are referred as chemical absorption processes. We'll see few common examples. Fluid catalytic cracking. Here the off gas from the catalyst regenerator is a major source of pollutants in oil refineries. These gases contain sulfur dioxide, which depends on the quantity of the sulfur content of the feed, and oxides of nitrogen. These gases are treated in a spray column. The spray is water with other additives such as alkali, caustic soda, lime, and other chemical reactants. This kind of design also helps in the removal of particulate matter present in the off gas as well as various oxides of nitrogen. Next example is wet gas scrubbing process, which is useful for highly diluted sulfur dioxide from flue gases. The process uses a concentrated sodium sulfite solution. The absorbed sulfur dioxide is thermally released from the bisulfate solution in an evaporator or crystallizer. This sulfur dioxide emerges as a concentrated gas containing about 95% sulfur dioxide by volume, and this can be converted to elemental sulfur, liquid sulfur dioxide, or sulfuric acid. Then we have spent caustic oxidation, where caustic solutions are often used to treat hydrogen sulfide and mercaptan containing gas streams. This is an example of gas liquid reactions. The sulfides are formed as a result of reaction of caustic solution with sulfur bearing compounds. This waste stream is highly toxic and has high value of COD. Hence, the spent caustic solution has to be oxidized to form thiosulfate or sulfates. The treated stream is then suitable for wastewater treatment unit. A series of mechanically agitated vessels are used as a reactor in this case. Other applications include air or steam stripping of volatile organic compounds from wastewater, then ozone treatment, etc. Now here we will be studying mainly the topic mass transfer with chemical reaction, that is absorption accompanied by chemical reaction. So in gas liquid systems, gas is absorbed in the liquid, and when we use reactive component in liquid stream, then it is absorption accompanied by chemical reaction. Now essentially this is based on two important concepts which you have studied in mass transfer: Henry's law and two film theory.